Hello everybody, I'm making this video to show you the camcorder rig I put together for my Sony HDR-CX150. First off, I guess the camera itself. Great little camera. And I already have the adapter ring, 30mm adapter ring attached. Next we have a Sony 0.7x conversion lens, and I have attached a rubber lens hood. Nice little hood. It expands, and when attaching this to the camera, you do not have to tighten it too much at all. Just screw it in until it's nice and snug, and you're good to go there. I guess next thing we have here, I have no idea how to pronounce this. It's Japanese, but Chinese, whatever. Yongo 64 LED light. This thing is super bright, has two settings, low and high, and is great for night shoots. So it comes with its own little bracket, but what I've done, I took my flip bracket from my SLR camera and I'm going to use it for my camcorder. So here, connecting like so. Attach our light. And pretty much there you have it. That's the best I can give you right now, but you get the idea.